Are you looking for an intercom for two riders to communication? And it also needs to be affordable. The one I'm going to recommend is suitable for your riding and is fully functional. Let's take a look. Let's open the box first. Let's look at the FX8 AIR main unit again. The surface is glossy ABS material which looks cleaner and also has large rotary buttons, metal finish which looks very textured. Like the FX8 there is an antenna to boost signal. The port of FX8 AIR is Type-C and the top of it is also some function buttons. Intercom unit, speaker and hard-to microphone, 2.5mm to 3.5mm cable, button microphone, USB charging cable, 3M tab bracket, clip mounting bracket, EVA rubber, Velcro, metal clip, product box, and we don't have the user manual. Stay here. It looks nice on a helmet, right? Well, let's use it to connect the phone. Long press intercom button and function button at the same time for 3 seconds. Voice message will also say, "Welcome to FODSPORTS Bluetooth communication system." Long press function button, red and blue light flash quickly, entering passive pairing mode. Click it to complete the final pairing. Then you can see on your phone that the FODSPORTS FX8 AIR Bluetooth device is created. Next, we enter the operation of the voice assistant. Short press Smart button to enter the voice assistant. Okay, let's test it. Hey Siri, dial 10086.
Hey guys, welcome to the FODSPORTS channel. I'm Jimmy.
Now let's test the sound quality. It works perfect for me.
To test the FODSPORTS FX8 AIR. FODSPORTS, so far so good.
Next, I will show you some basic function of FX8 AIR. How to turn on the FM function. Long press next button for 3 seconds. How to reject or hang up a call. Hang up, short press multifunction button. Reject, long press multifunction button for 2 seconds. How to clear pairing memory. When device is on, press the multifunction button and the previous sound button at the same time for about 5 seconds. FX8 AIR EQ sounds test. Hi-fi bass. Popular golden classic. Pure human voice.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same.
They are fully protected against light splashes though with IPX4 water resistance ratings. FX8 AIR basic function introduction. 2 riders intercom. 900 mAh lithium battery. Bluetooth 5.0. 0.31 mile communication distance. support noise reduction function. External antenna boost signal. Type-C charging port. Does not support pairing with other brands. These have a fantastic mounting system. Areas unit for both styles of helmet, open face or closed. We got a lead around to 0.31 mil-yards or so between each unit. Range is not too bad, about what you would expect for Bluetooth intercom. Range is not good for leaving the grove by any distance whatsoever. You need to connect manually. Its EQ sound makes you more selective when listening to songs. All in all, for the price, if you are looking to have great intercom system for 1 to 2 riders, these units are great.